Hi, I'm Liz Lin. Today is my birthday, and my husband gave me a present. And actually, I've already know what that is. And he bought a steam cleaner on Amazon, and today it's already delivered. Okay, let me take it out. Ooh, it's a huge one. And I laughed at him, and he always buy those like, this one is already the biggest one. Like a steam cleaner, some vacuum, some good mop for me. I say, the other husbands, they all give a diamond ring, I don't have a diamond ring yet, actually. Okay, we have gold ring when we get married, and because it was given from his parents. It was good, but right now the finger is getting, more fat, and it can't fit anymore. And actually, I don't expect that much diamond ring, that much like other women, because I worked in a diamond company, and I saw those original, the raw stone, the raw diamond stone. It's really, really not like the usual diamond ring as we expected. It's just like the very normal stone, no shining at all. Before it's, after the worker, did lots of job, it's just a very normal stone. You even don't realize it's a diamond stone, So I don't expect that ring very much, actually. Yeah, what a good wife I am. To save the money for my husband, not to buy a diamond ring, and just to get those cleaners and vacuums to clean the house for him. What a good wife I am. Yes, I am really a very, very good wife. Okay, where were we? Okay, no diamond ring for as the present, just the steam cleaner. I don't know what that is. He just told me it's a steam cleaner. I've already saw the money already swiped out, about almost $200 on the bill. And so I'm just gonna to unboxing this huge present, birthday present now. Okay. It's really, really a huge one. Oh, yeah. Last time I showed you this one. We used to have this small steam cleaner, but maybe it's too small, and it can only it's good for those very tiny corners. It works, but for the big house, the mess places, and maybe the huge one is better. So it's such a big one, I expect it will be more powerful. Yes, we Chinese have a saying, if you want to do a good job, you'd better, for instance, if you want to chop a tree and before that, it's not wasting time to sharpen your tools first. So, yeah, if you have a good tool and even it's expensive, but it will make your work more efficient, right? Oh, I put it down and it seems there's another box inside. See? I'll put it down. Oh, it's not very heavy. Wow. Another huge box. Oh. Elevator. No. To take out. Why so many boxes? That's a waste. Amazon receipt. Oh yeah, Amazon receipt. See. Then I have to open this box. It seems like there are 3 cotton boxes. In China, you know, their logistic business develops very well, but that also costs a lot of cotton boxes. And once I even just buy one, you know, eyeball brush, just that tiny one, and we got a big boxes. And so that was the business it is. And you know, I wish they can be recycled. The package is very good. They packed very well, and to prevent it get damaged, I think maybe that's why they packed, you know, so many cotton boxes. Okay, and this side. Oh no, not this side. So actually I should put it down. Oh, I think it's not some fragile thing, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, to put it down. Okay. Oops. Oh, mamma mia. Okay. Take out the second cotton box.